In the chilly dawn of a March morning on a prestigious university campus, chants cut through the mist, a growing chorus of young voices, thick with passion and resolve. They gather annual momentum as they echo off walls steeped in institutional history. As students hoist banners splashed with bold slogans against the blues and grays of dawn, there's more than just a protest unfolding. It's a profound cultural and moral statement. Across the United States, campuses that once simmered with uncritical careerism are again becoming critical nexuses of significant socio-political dialogue and transformation. These demonstrations, particularly those in solidarity with global anti-war and peace movements, are as urgent as they are necessary. They reflect a continued and evolving activist tradition among America's educated youth, reviving the fervent spirit once seen during the Vietnam War protests, in examining the place and power of anti-war protests on college campuses. One cannot merely recount events. One must delve into the soul of a movement and its roots in the fertile soil of academia. These institutions are not just fostering future economists, engineers, and educators. They are shaping the conscientious citizens of tomorrow, propelling them towards civic engagement and informed dissent. The phenomenon of student activism isn't born out of a vacuum. Its lineage can be traced back to the 1960s, a defining era for civil rights and anti-war protests in the United States. Universities like Berkeley became hotbeds of dissent against racial injustice and the Vietnam War, characterizing student activism as a powerful force for societal change. The vigor of these movements wasn't just in their numbers, but in their ability to challenge and eventually shape public policy and perception. Contemporary protests on U.S. campuses mirror these historical precedents, not just in form, but in fervor. Students today stand against what they perceive as incessant wars and conflicts propagated or supported by their government. These protests are often seen as barometers of the broader public conscience, offering a glimpse into the evolving priorities of the younger generation. As they march, they tread paths paved by their predecessors, carrying forward a legacy of unrest and resistance, demonstrating that student activism remains a potent ingredient in the recipe for societal progress. In recent times, the relationship between protesters and law enforcement has increasingly become fraught with tension. Campus protests often see the arrival of police in riot gear, a sight that can escalate the conflict rather than quell it. The introduction of police on campuses sometimes transforms peaceful assemblies into sites of tension and confrontation, challenging the very essence of democratic expression. At Yale, for instance, a recent peaceful demonstration escalated quickly when police intervened with tear gas and arrests, drawing widespread criticism and bringing national attention to the event. The visual of students with textbooks in one hand and protest signs in the other, being confronted by law enforcement, is stark, and it raises imperative questions about freedom of speech and assembly. Such instances serve as pivot points in the life cycle of a protest. They can galvanize more students to action, and significantly, they can sway public opinion, both nationally and internationally, about the righteousness of the protesters' cause. These confrontations not only affect the immediate dynamics of the protest, but also contribute to a historical narrative of activism against perceived authoritarianism. One of the most vibrant threads in the tapestry of current campus protests is solidarity with Palestine. This reflects a broader, deeper engagement with global issues, particularly those concerning human rights and justice. Across numerous campuses, students have organized marches, sit-ins, and educational forums aimed at shedding light on and rallying support for Palestinian rights. This activism is not without controversy. It challenges deeply ingrained political and social narratives. However, the steadfast presence of this cause in student movements underscores a significant aspect of campus protests. They are not just reactions to external events, but are proactive stands against what students see as injustices being perpetuated with their government's complicity or direct involvement. In championing this cause, students navigate a complex landscape of geopolitical sensitivities and institutional pressures, showcasing the maturation of student activism from localized campus issues to global injustices. The scrutiny of any protest movement often includes a degree of skepticism or outright opposition. However, the lens of history offers a broader, more forgiving perspective. Many of the freedoms and rights currently enjoyed were won through protest. The anti-war and civil rights movements of the past, though controversial at the time, are now celebrated as pivotal moments in the advancement of justice and human rights. Similarly, today's campus protests might be seen by future generations as crucial in the ongoing struggle against war and for global peace and equity. The courage to stand up against prevailing norms and to voice dissent is often vindicated, not in the moment, but in the aftermath, when the full impacts of those actions can be observed and appreciated. Historically, academic environments have served as catalysts for social and political change, and understanding this can provide contemporary movements with not just inspiration, but also legitimacy. As these movements evolve, the question remains: what is the trajectory of student activism? With advances in technology, the dynamics of protests have transformed. Social media and digital platforms have become central to organizing and amplifying student voices, reaching global audiences instantaneously. Yet the challenges remain significant. Institutional resistance, political backlash, and societal polarization challenge the efficacy and impact of these protests. The path forward must include strategic engagements beyond the protests, shaping policy, influencing political discourse, and maintaining the momentum of activism in constructive channels. As history has shown, the most impactful movements often grow from the bold stands, taken by the few and then by the many. U.S. college campuses, as vibrant communities of learning and critical thought, have the potential not just to react to the world as it is, but to imagine and demand the world as it should be. If you like this video, don't forget to rate, subscribe, and share so we can keep you up to date on what's important in our tiny fraction of the universe. And as always, take care.